Hello guys, welcome to weekly recap here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD and the DXY. And quickly on Monday I anticipated a break, a retest and a continuation, which is what we had here. If we pull off this diagram to this point, now you see the break, the retest here and the continuation, and going forward we might see a bullish continuation on DXY. So the DXY played out pretty well. You can check out our outlook on Monday for a clear explanation of why we anticipated price that way. On gold, I anticipated three things, three buyers, and one was for price to come into this region and continue to the upside, which wasn't the case, or we saw price go into these regions and start creating higher highs and higher lows to break above these regions. We didn't get that, and finally we had that point where we break below this downward trend line. We got a retest finally. So break, retest, maybe from next week we anticipate that downward push to the downside on gold, or we might even actually just start getting a bullish movement. We don't know. We'll see that on our outlook on Monday. And basically here on the pound USD, we anticipated price to just create a double bottom here and continue to the upside, which didn't play out, or we could get price to just come into this region, create basically the second part played out. What we are anticipating price to create lower lows and lower highs. This didn't play to the T, but we had price break below here, come back here for a retest, and we had that sell-off. We had that sell-off doing the non-farm payroll on, yes, that sell-off. We had a buy from the non-farm payroll, and then towards the end of the market, we had price, come back a little bit. So going forward, we might have that bullish continuation, which is price coming into this region to play out a little bit and continue to the upside. And lastly, on USDCAD, we have price to play around this region and continue to the downside. We didn't get that. We had a continuous bullish movement, which came back to these regions to the T. Lastly, addition was on Euro USD correlating with pound USD. We had that break, retest and continue to the downside, which didn't play out. We had that manipulation to these regions and continue to the upside. That played out perfectly fine. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys on Monday for outlook. Stay tuned. Entering into a very, very critical season. This is when we bag a lot of pips. I can attest to that from 2021, last year 2022. This year won't be different. So let's stay consistent and then we'll bag some pips. I'll see you guys on Monday for outlook. Have your beautiful weekend. Ciao.